Oh, Cathy Jordan, you've won an award, and it's not surprising with a voice so sweet. Oh, 'tis I would be an Arctic one, where the mountains stand away.
Rugu is tóga mé in áit beag tútha Curragh scramóg cúntú Roscommán. Agus bhí ceol agus Amhránaí sa cheach an tam go léir agus bhí sing songs agus bhí party piece ag gach duine sa Féach. An speisialta domsa ag an am sin. An rud is tábhachta domsa ná má Féach agus má chláán agus thug siad na hamhráin domsa agus sin iad an fág bhfuil mé i mo Amhránaí anois. I have been collecting songbooks and songs, and I've been to the archives several times. I just like uncovering songs that haven't been uncovered before. And then the songbook album that Dervish made, we got to collaborate and sing with Steve Earle, David Gray, the wonderful Eddie Reader. We did some shows with her, the Indigo Girls. You know, it's just a superb privilege and honour to be able to sing with these people and share stages with them whenever the opportunity arises.
My friend Cathy Jordan has just won Singer of the Year in Ireland. She's like the Ella Fitzgerald of folk music. She's better than me. Oh yeah, it's got to be perfect. It's got to be Cathy Jordan. Anyway, she's won. Congratulations, pal.
For you, the sparrow of proud Roscommon, and I am so inspired by thee. Oh, congratulations, Cathy. I really am so inspired by you and honoured to have met you and be working with you.